Provo City Library offers a wide selection of book club sets. Each complete set contains 15 copies of the title and one book club guide. The book club guide is a binder containing information about the book and author, along with questions to help stimulate discussion. Please note the following. Books must all be checked out on one Provo City Library card in good standing. Books check out for 6 weeks with no renewals. Sets must be requested with at least 2 business days' notice, and any requests prior to October 2nd, 2023 have already been transferred over to the new reservation system. To reserve a book club set, go to provolibrary.org/bookclubsets or visit provolibrary.org. Click on the Collections tab and click Book Club Sets. All book club titles will be listed in alphabetical order. If you aren't looking for one specific set, but instead want to see what's available during a specific date range, click on More Details under any book title. If you already know what book you'd like to reserve, type in part or all of the book's title and click Search to avoid having to scroll through multiple pages of titles. Click on Availability. This will default to showing the book's availability for the current week. To check for a later date, click on Go to Date and select the checkout date you are hoping for. Or you can click Next Available to see the book's earliest available checkout date. Blue-colored segments of the calendar indicate that a set has been reserved at that time, or that there is an insufficient time between reservations for a set to be reserved. White-colored segments indicate a date the library is closed, or 6 weeks before a library closure. Light gray colored segments indicate that a set is available for checkout on that date. The calendar allows reservations up to 365 days in advance. To reserve a set for an available date, click on the date in the calendar grid when you want to pick up a set from the library. This will bring up a reservation range beginning on the date you selected and ending 6 weeks later. If the dates listed are the ones you want, click Add to Cart and Checkout. Click Continue. Fill out the form with your name, library card number, contact information, and the number of books you will need for your group. Click Submit My Booking. Please add only one set to your cart and fully complete the reservation process before trying to reserve another set. Once there is a set in your cart, a system bug currently distorts the calendar view for other sets. You will then be taken to a Booking Confirmed page and will also receive a confirmation email. If you can't find this email, check your spam folder. If you change your mind, you can cancel your reservation at any time by clicking the link in your confirmation email and then clicking Cancel Booking. If you have questions or need to change your reservation dates, reply to your confirmation email and a member of the book club team will respond within 2 business days. Or give us a call at 801-852-6661 and ask to speak to a book club team member. On the date you requested to pick up a set, it will be waiting for you at the first floor reference desk. We will hold the set for 1 week from this date. We will have the book club set, book club guide, and bag checked out and ready for you to pick up. Thank you for your patronage of Provo City Library. Please let us know if you have any questions.